How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYangBass. I'm here with my boy Bill, and today we are doing something special. The water is kind of high, so we're kind of sketchy, but I think we'll be okay. We're just gonna hug the shoreline. Anyway, Danny, what are we doing?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
We're doing the Mystery Tackle Box Challenge. Just want to say this video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box, so make sure you check the link down below. I'll leave all that. Check it out. Use my code. Get your first box for $10. First box for $10. Yeah. I got the Pro Box, and Danny is subscribed. He got the Elite Box. We're gonna pop it open real quick and just pretty much glance at what we got. We're gonna try to fish. We are on a time crunch, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open my box up first. And look what we got here, guys. So we got some swim baits, a jig. Okay, I like that. Oh, look at that, Danny. Look at that right there. Crayfish crankbait. Okay.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Another shad crankbait. I'm digging this right here. Shaky head with a worm. Yeah! There we go. Alright, Danny. So we're gonna go through Danny's real quick. See what's up. You got the Elite Box, so you got a lot of, cool stuff.
What is this?
Lipless. Let's go.
Lipless.
Okay. Oh, top.
Nice.
Let's go. Okay.
Froggy.
Some worms.
Some
See
riot.
that happening. Look at that guy right there. That's something new.
Wow.
Okay. Some more worms.
Some more worms.
Oh, snap.
Oh,
Z-Man.
Z-Man.
That's some bait fish right there. Alright, we got a little leash pattern. Ah, dude, Dan, you got one job, bro.
That's
one job.
That's my life.
But,
this is the last thing.
some flies, right?
Yep.
Alright,
That's
cool.
it.
Okay. Again, that is the box. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you check the link down below. That way you get your first box for $10. So use my code. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on this kind of fast water. We're gonna try. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off with the shaky head because the water's kind of fast and it is like 12 o'clock. So I'm just gonna guess that the fish are down below, right? So we'll go with the shaky head here. It looks real fancy. I'm kind of scared to use it on the river, but YOLO! I'm gonna make it happen. Oh, look at that. And the cool thing is that I can throw like a creature bait on here too if I brought any. You throw it on there too. So how do you do this again? Okay, I think you rig it like this. It's kind of windy, guys, sorry.
No, you know what? I'm gonna go with the Z-Man.
Really?
Yep.
All right.
Or no, you know what? I'm gonna go with the leech.
No.
No?
I'm not digging the leash, bro.
All right, the worm then? Oh, okay, yeah, right.
Yeah, warm.
Right.
We're gonna go warm from warm, all right? Bro, this is your line. Me know nothing. I was gonna tie it on yours. All right, Nani-san, you ready for showdown?
I guess so.
Let's do this. We got two worms on. Think there's any bass over here? Where are you gonna go? It's right here. No, I'm just gonna cast. Water's fast. It's shallow. You can see the bottom. You see it, right? Oh, just had a bite.
No way.
Oh, yeah. They keep picking up the tail. Jeez. Just be careful. Just keep looking at the bottom. Got him. Yeah! On the worm. There is smallmouth here, guys. Look at that. Oh, right through the eye. Jeez. Just be careful, dude. Yep, I know. That's a nice fish. Oh, nope, it's small. It felt so big from afar. Look at that. Double up. So tiny, dude. Alright guys, so we're gonna give up the shaky head there. And I guess we'll go with the jig, right? No, not jig. Let's go with the swim bait. Let's go with swim bait. See how that goes. I don't have much of an option here. but wow, fruity colors. Oh man, yes, these guys are pretty big, but I guess we'll go with this guy right here. Yeah, it looks pretty natural. All right, we'll do that. We do have other options here too, so we'll see how it goes up here, and then we have to, we'll switch. But I think I'm just gonna throw it on a shaky head. Just gonna make it work, right? Oh, I bet you guys never seen a shaky head swim bait before. Look at that, that's legit. Snake proof. Emphasize. Go ahead, dude. Go ahead. Huh? Oh shit, there's a hole right here. Oh crap, why didn't you tell me, dude?
I told you I was like, here's the drop. Go ahead.
That tree, dog. I can't cast any better. There you go.
That's a spot, dude.
Oh, I got fish. Oh, it's a big one. That's big, smallie. Dude, yes, let's go. No. Oh, on the swim bait, guys. Oh. Hey. Something's on me, bro. That's a pig right there. Yeah. That's a pig for the river. Woo. There you go, boys. Is that recording? Yep, I'm recording. Nice little 1 pounder.
The 1 pounder?
Yeah. Could be a 2, it's real fat. On the swim bait right there, guys. Look at that shaky head swim bait. Make fun of me now, yeah. There we go. Catch and release. That's a nice fish. Yeah, real fat fish. Let me talk to you guys real quick. This is not our typical way of fishing for smallies. It is not the recommended day, okay? This water is a little faster than usual, but it's because I believe, and they believe, we agree that we're experienced enough to fish this river. We fish this river often, so we can say that, you know, we're confident, right? Just put it that way. It is pretty fast, so we're taking precaution, we're being very careful, we're watching our steps and everything. So don't try this at home, guys. It's not the ideal fishing for anybody, honestly.
Right behind you.
Oh shoot, I just had a hit. What? What? No, that works. It's top water. Wow, he ate it again. Got him. That's a nice one. Yeah. Got him, boys. There you are. There you are. Dude, they're feeding at the bottom, right?
Really?
Their jaw's all like... No, actually it's not. I thought it was red, but... The swim bait is coming in clutch. Okay, I like that swim bait. Good fish. But I was just trying to see if there's a smallie right here. This is the spot I was trying to cast it. You see this right here? Whoa! You saw that? You saw it, right?
Yeah, that was cool, dude.
Alright, we can try this crankbait right here. I don't know if it's ideal for river fishing, but we're gonna give it a shot, alright? See how it goes. I kind of don't want to use it because I want to use it in a different situation. So, let's see how it goes. I got braid on too. Yeah. Is that thunder?
Is it?
Yeah, dude, I think we gotta go, bro. Yeah, I think that's thunder, dude. All right, let's go. We gotta cancel. We gotta abort the mission because we got a storm coming our way. You guys can see here, it's getting real nasty out. We're just about to get to the hot spot, but we saw lightning, we saw high wind. We gotta get out of here, man.